There's a new feature in the Notes app which, whilst it's not going to be for everyone, will be incredibly handy for people that do need to use it, and that's the ability to export your Notes documents in the Markdown format. If you don't know, Markdown is a format used by web developers and bloggers because it's a really good way of translating formatting onto the web. Now here we've got a note with lots of things, bold text, italic text, even the table, and all I'm going to do is press the share button on the top toolbar. From here I can press more in the grey circle, and then you're going to see this brand new option for Export as Markdown. I'm going to then save this Markdown document to the Files app, and it will put it in a folder there for me. That means if there are any images and stuff attached, it will put links to them inside of that folder. And then if I jump out of Notes and into the Files app, I can navigate to that document, and when I open it up, you're going to see a plain Markdown file just like this. And you can see it's managed to get the entire document in Markdown format. Even the table and the hyperlinks are all there included. There are tons more features that are for everyone though in iOS 26, so if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you check out all the other quick tips so you can make the most of this cool new update on your iPhone. I'll see you next time for more iPhone quick tips.